Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out small claims forms. First, understand that small claims court handles disputes involving smaller amounts of money, typically under a specific dollar limit set by your state. These forms are designed for individuals to represent themselves, making the legal process more accessible. Before you start, collect all necessary documents like contracts, receipts, and communication records. Having everything organized will make the process much smoother and help you present a clear case. Next, focus on accurately identifying all parties involved. You are the plaintiff, and the person or entity you are suing is the defendant. Ensure you have their full legal names and current addresses. This is crucial for proper notification. Also, clearly state the date and location where the event leading to your claim took place. Precision here helps the court understand the timeline and jurisdiction, ensuring your case proceeds correctly. Now, articulate the details of your claim. Describe exactly what happened, using clear and factual language. Avoid emotional statements and stick to the facts. Then, specify the exact monetary amount you are seeking, for example, $7,500 for property damage or unpaid services. Be prepared to justify this amount by listing any supporting evidence, such as invoices, repair estimates, or written agreements. This section is vital for the court to understand your requested relief. Finally, it's time to file your forms. Take your completed documents to the clerk at the correct small claims court. You will need to pay a filing fee, which typically ranges from $30 to $100, depending on your claim amount and jurisdiction. After filing, you must ensure the defendant is properly served with the court papers. This usually involves a process server or certified mail, confirming they receive official notice of the lawsuit. Follow these steps carefully for your case to move forward.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.